Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout share for the scrap room. This is just a little peek at one of the layouts you will get a recipe for. So you will get instructions on how to create this layout. Sometimes they're pretty obvious, but if you need some step-by-step instructions, we will have it for you if you subscribe. So subscribers only, just wanted to give you a closer look at this one. This is part of the Flavors of the Month kit for March 2025, and this is Echo Park Blossoms and Bees. So it's just going to give you a look a little closer what I did. So there you go. Remember, the Scrap Room is an awesome subscription page kit. So the Flavors of the Month kit comes with 4 mini collections, essentially 4 new collections, 4 page kits, 4 different collections, all with cardstock, embellishments, pattern paper, and then they have a double shot kit also, which is 2 more collections, same thing, and then there's a Shots of Life kit, and there's a card kit quarterly. So also coming with the Flavors of the Month kit are some exclusive items that you can't get if you just buy one-offs, and that's the recipes or the cut files. So make sure you check out all the links down below to the store, to the Facebook group for inspiration, and to the blog for more information. Thank you, and we'll see you again. Bye.